The world is a rich tapestry of cultures, each one a unique and irreplaceable thread in the fabric of humanity. These threads, woven together over millennia, create a vibrant and intricate pattern that tells the story of our collective existence. From the frozen Arctic to the lush Amazon rainforest, diverse cultures have flourished for millennia, each with its own traditions, languages, and beliefs. These communities have adapted to their environments in remarkable ways, developing unique lifestyles that reflect their deep connection to the land. This vibrant mosaic of human experience enriches our world immeasurably. Cultural festivals, traditional markets, and communal celebrations are just a few examples of how these diverse traditions bring color and life to our global society. It is a testament to the adaptability and creativity of our species. Artisans crafting traditional goods and people performing age-old dances showcase the ingenuity and artistic spirit that define humanity. However, this precious heritage is increasingly under threat. Ancient ruins and traditional villages are often overshadowed by modern development, risking the loss of invaluable cultural knowledge and practices. Globalization, while offering many benefits, can also lead to cultural homogenization. As cities grow and technology spreads, the unique characteristics of individual cultures can be diluted, making it harder to preserve the distinctiveness that makes each culture special. As modern influences spread, unique traditions and languages risk being lost. Elders teaching children traditional practices and ceremonies being observed by modern spectators highlight the delicate balance between preserving heritage and embracing progress. The very essence of what makes us human, our diverse cultures, is at stake. Cultural performances and traditional art forms are not just entertainment. They are vital expressions of identity and history. Preserving cultural identity is not just about safeguarding the past. It's about ensuring a vibrant and resilient future for humanity. By protecting cultural heritage sites and celebrating traditions, we keep the spirit of our ancestors alive and inspire future generations. It's about honoring the knowledge, wisdom, and values passed down through generations. Elders sharing stories and teaching traditional knowledge in natural settings are crucial for maintaining the continuity of cultural wisdom. It's about celebrating the unique perspectives that each culture brings to the global community. Multicultural festivals and collaborative efforts among diverse groups highlight the beauty of our shared humanity. In a world facing complex challenges, we need the wisdom and resilience of all cultures to thrive. By embracing and learning from each other, we can build a more inclusive, understanding, and resilient global community. In recent years, a powerful new tool has emerged in the fight to preserve cultural identity: genetics. While often associated with medical advancements, genetics is also providing invaluable insights into human history, migration patterns, and the interconnectedness of humanity. Genetic cloning in particular is capturing the imagination of scientists and indigenous communities alike. Unlike the controversial idea of replicating individuals, this form of cloning focuses on replicating specific genes or DNA segments. By studying these genetic blueprints, researchers can trace ancestral lineages, understand migration patterns, and even gain insights into ancient cultural practices. For indigenous tribes facing cultural erosion, genetics offers a way to reconnect with their past and reaffirm their unique identities. It's a way to prove unbroken lineages, map ancestral territories, and even revive lost cultural practices through a deeper understanding of their origins. Deep in the Brazilian Amazon, the Kayapo people have been guardians of the rainforest for centuries. Their connection to the land is not just physical, but deeply spiritual. Rooted in a profound respect for nature and its cycles, their profound knowledge of the land and its resources is intertwined with their cultural identity. This knowledge is passed down through generations, ensuring that each new member of the community understands the importance of their environment. However, external pressures from logging and development threaten their way of life, jeopardizing the transmission of traditional knowledge to younger generations. The encroachment of modern industry not only disrupts the ecosystem, but also the cultural fabric of the Kayapo society. In a remarkable act of cultural preservation, the Kayapo have established a seed bank to protect the biodiversity of their ancestral lands. This seed bank is more than just a collection. It is a symbol of resistance and resilience. This living library of seeds not only safeguards crucial plant species, but also embodies the Kayapo's deep spiritual connection to the natural world. Each seed represents a story, a piece of history, and a promise for the future. By preserving the physical seeds, they are also preserving the knowledge and cultural practices associated with each plant. This ensures that the wisdom of their ancestors continues to thrive. The Kayapo understand that cultural identity is not static. It evolves and adapts with each generation. They celebrate their heritage while embracing the changes that come with time. By combining traditional knowledge with modern scientific tools, they are forging a path for cultural resilience that can inspire us all. Their efforts show that it is possible to honor the past while innovating for the future, creating a harmonious balance between tradition and progress. Across the globe, in the islands of New Zealand, the Maori people are undertaking their own journey of cultural rediscovery through genetics. This journey is not just about science, it's about reconnecting with their roots and understanding the profound legacy left by their ancestors. For centuries, the Maori have passed down their history and genealogy through oral traditions, intricate carvings, and sacred rituals. These practices have been the cornerstone of their cultural identity, preserving the wisdom and stories of generations. However, the impact of colonization disrupted the transmission of these traditions, causing a significant break in the continuity of their cultural narrative, leaving gaps in their collective memory. These gaps have made it challenging for the Maori to fully understand and appreciate their rich heritage. Today, Maori researchers are collaborating with geneticists to trace their ancestral lineages. This collaboration is a blend of modern science and ancient wisdom, aiming to bridge the past with the present and gain a deeper understanding of their origins. By delving into their genetic makeup, they hope to uncover stories that have been lost to time. By analyzing DNA samples from Maori individuals, scientists can trace migration patterns across the Pacific Ocean, providing tangible evidence to support their oral histories. These migration patterns reveal the incredible journeys undertaken by their ancestors, showcasing their resilience and adaptability. This genetic information is not just about filling in historical gaps. It's about reaffirming cultural identity. It serves as a powerful tool for the Maori to reconnect with their past and celebrate their unique heritage. This genetic information is not just about filling in historical gaps. It's about reaffirming cultural identity. It's a way to honor their ancestors and ensure that their stories are never forgotten, and strengthening the bonds of kinship that connect the Maori people to their ancestors and to each other. These bonds are the foundation of their community, providing strength and unity. It's about reclaiming their place in the world. By understanding their past, the Maori can confidently move forward, knowing where they come from, and ensuring that their cultural heritage continues to thrive for generations to come. This journey of rediscovery is a testament to the enduring spirit of the Maori people. Beyond genes, the intangible heritage of culture. While genetics offers a powerful lens through which to view and understand cultural identity, it is essential to remember that culture encompasses much more than just our genes. It's the sum total of our shared values, beliefs, languages, arts, traditions, and social behaviors. It's the intangible heritage that shapes our worldviews and defines who we are. Preserving cultural identity, therefore, requires a multifaceted approach. It demands that we support Indigenous communities in their efforts to revitalize their languages, protect their cultural sites, and pass on their traditions to younger generations. It means creating spaces for cultural exchange and dialogue, fostering respect and understanding between different cultural groups. It's about recognizing that the diversity of human cultures is a source of strength and resilience, not division. It's about celebrating our differences while recognizing our shared humanity. A world richer for its differences. In a world often marked by conflict and division, the preservation of cultural diversity offers a beacon of hope. By embracing and celebrating our differences, we cultivate empathy, understanding, and a sense of shared humanity. When we lose a language, we lose a unique way of seeing and understanding the world. When a cultural tradition fades away, a piece of human history disappears with it. Maintaining cultural diversity is not just an act of preservation, it's a vital investment in the future of humanity. It is a commitment to keeping the tapestry of humanity vibrant and whole, ensuring that future generations inherit a world rich in diversity, creativity, and the wisdom of countless cultures. Preserving the tapestry, a shared responsibility. The task of preserving cultural identity cannot fall solely on the shoulders of indigenous communities. It is a shared responsibility that requires global cooperation, respect, and support. Governments, organizations, and individuals all have a role to play in creating a world that values and protects cultural diversity. We can support organizations working to revitalize endangered languages, promote cultural exchange programs, and empower indigenous communities to manage their cultural heritage. We can educate ourselves and others about the importance of cultural diversity and challenge prejudice and discrimination in all its forms. Every effort, no matter how small, contributes to the larger goal of preserving the rich tapestry of human cultures for generations to come. Join the journey of discovery. The exploration of cultural identity is a journey filled with wonder, discovery, and a deeper appreciation for the human experience. By listening to the stories of diverse cultures, we broaden our understanding of the world and ourselves. Join us as we delve deeper into the fascinating ways that tribes around the globe are using genetics to preserve their cultural heritage. Subscribe to our channel to stay informed and be a part of this important conversation.